Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching this video and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a website that I opened for myself for buying and selling Ripple. If you guys faced a problem with different complicated wallets and registration stuff, you can forget about it because iqoptions.com offers you a very easy and secure way. So let's get started. We will need only our email address and rather complicated password for registration, because the more complicated password is, the more secure is your money. So let's get started. Here we paste our email and figure out a rather difficult password. Then we agree with terms and conditions and press register and buy Ripple. As you can see, the confirmation was sent to our email. Let's check it out. Here is the letter. Click confirm and it brings us back to IQ option. As you can see, activation was successful and now it's supposed to bring us to the payment system. Yep, here it is. So I would like to buy Ripple for $1,000. Here we can choose the currency and the payment method. I use Visa and Master. After we choose everything, we click go to payment. And here we enter our card information. Be attentive. Okay, after you're done, you just click pay. Okay, our money went through and it brought us to the platform. Here is where you buy Ripple as well as other crypto assets. Here you can see the variety of your choice. We choose Ripple. If you have any questions about using this site, or you maybe are new in trading, you can always watch tutorial videos and click the help button in the left bottom corner. Okay, in the left upper corner we choose the amount on which we buy our Ripple. Here we also have the multiplier, but be careful with this thing, guys, because it can both multiply or take away your funds, so be careful. For example, multiply by 5 means that if the asset price changes by 1%, your position performance will be increased by 5%. If by 3, then by 3. But don't forget, guys, that this involves more risk to your funds. And auto closing. Auto closing is a thing that will let you not to go to this site every day, because it will automatically close your position. All you need to do is set the profit level and the loss level. The higher the better. After that you click buy. There is a confirmation window before you start to trade. As you can see, it shows you the opening price, the investment, the XRP quantity, it means the quantity of the Ripples we buy, and the commission. After you check everything, press confirm buying. And that's it. We just got our Ripple for $1,000. If this video was useful for you guys, check the link below. It will bring you to the iqoption.com and you'll receive a nice bonus from my side. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye.